Hey guys, I'm Robinson. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about VPN. I hope everybody knows about VPN. So let me tell, VPN is virtual private network. It's needed when you try to keep secure your data while you're browsing on internet. Also, when you browse on, I mean, you would like to access on dark web, definitely you need to connect with your VPN. So today I'll show you a VPN which is totally free and better than the other VPN service provider. But you can get that, like when you will use it, you will feel that how much easier to handle these tools on web browser, also in as an application. So let me show you. It's called Windscribe. It's a Toronto-based startup. So I already downloaded the web version. So let me install the plugin. So this is that service. Okay, let's begin. The good thing is Windscribe has large data allowance, also integrated ad blocking and tracker blocking. Also, they provide unlimited connections, but if you want to connect with different countries network, like you are going to connect your location from Bulgaria, but you need to purchase this service. But few connections are totally free and you can use them unlimited. Like I'll show you that how can you get more data freely. So let's start. So you need to download like there's two options. Chrome, like if you download this option, so it will help you to integrate this tool with your Google Chrome application, and you could not able to use this tool add-on in any other browser. But if you download Windows version, this software will help you to generate all the softwares like you are connecting with your network on your computer. But Chrome is only for Chrome, only for your Chrome browser. So here I would like to show you both of them. So you need to download it from Google Chrome Store. This is an extension. Add it to your Chrome. So just click on Add to Chrome and it will pop up. So you need to add this extension. It will download and automatically plugged with your Chrome browser. And this is it here. So once you clicked on, it will ask you to log in or sign up. So we need to create an account right now. So now I'm going to use my Yandex email account, which I have created in my prior. So choose a password. I can do it later. Just give it here. And that's it. Okay. only support small character. Okay, here we have done. Like, I need to save it. So once I clicked on, yes, it's already integrated with my browser, so you don't need to sign in again. Here you will see few other features, like they have uploaded the last month, and these are their upgraded features. So what can you do with these tools? You can block any website and any network from here. Ad trackers, social, porn, and gambling, fake news, and clickbait, and many others. You can just block it from here. Also, you can set your custom role from here, and port forwarding. You can forward your network, your IP address from here. It's more secure. So here is showing that please check your inbox for the email confirm link to upgrade to 10 GB account. Like once you will verify with your email account, it will give you 10 GB. But right now you can use only 2 GB data. But what can you do? If you don't have the email account, you can simply verify just with your Twitter account or any other. But if you don't like to verify, just you can sign up again anytime, so you can get a free account, so you can use 2 GB data anytime. Also, if you tweet, they'll give you a few more data, like 1 GB or 2 GB. So here. But before that, I have to show my IP. So here is my current IP. But once you active VPN, it will choose the best network. But if you would like to custom network, you need to choose it from here. So I have added US Central. Now search it again. See, here is my IP. It's already changed. Once you can check it from here, like when you here, it's showing that I am from Atlanta, Georgia, United States. So it's showing my IP from different location. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Also, you can modify. You can simply just modify your account, your server from here in Robot. That's it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. So this extension only for web application, but if you need to use it on your PC for your all software and all other network, so what you will do, you need to install their PC application. So I already downloaded it, so you can simply install their software from here and log with your Windscribe account. So express install. Once done, just finish it and run. See here. So here you need to allow Windscribe to auto login utility and communicate on these networks. So here you have to choose public networks such as those in airports and coffee shops. Not recommended. So don't do it. Don't do it. So you need to click on. You just select on private network. It will automatically. But if doesn't, you just simply put a tick mark there and just allow access. You need to active on firewall. See here, my account. So it's already integrated with our, okay. So it's already integrated with my browser because previous I already installed my web application on my browser, so I don't need to re-sign up again. So it's already sign in automatically. See you in the next video. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.